The Leeds Foundation patron. Today we are basically here to do distribution of checks and disbursement of the same. We are giving 500 to 800 checks to needy students within Nyakach constituency. So Leeds Foundation is a charitable organization which is non-political. This dream, it started last year, and for the last 2 weeks we've been issuing checks to needy students. Last week we gave 6 students, 6 needy girls. So this project is ongoing. We have core values. We are looking into agriculture, health, education, women empowerment, people living with disabilities. So we just started with education, and we are right now working on bursaries. Today we are giving 500 to 800 students. To be precise, we are giving around 635 students, exclusive of those who gave full scholarship last week. We are giving around 8.2 million Kenya shillings to these needy students. So I would also want to request different people to join us into this so that we can impact our community. We have those students we are fully sponsoring. Those ones will try and will sponsor them until university. And I also have plans with some donors from United States, Finland, that once they're done with their high school, we'll take them to university and they can even go and study in United States.
To get education, then we are bettering the community and making a society which is equal in all standards. So I want to thank Leeds Foundation and its patron for deciding to support the education of the needy students from vulnerable families by giving them bursaries. And also, the good bit of it is that there are some identified students whom they have already sponsored in full scholarship.
Lakini kulingana na kitu nimeona mwaka huu ni ajabu sana. Nimeshukuru sana, tena nimeshukuru.